Okay, this is the video for how to do the body percussion for Bring Me a Little Water Silvy. We're just going to do the body percussion first and break it down, and then I'll have separate videos with all the different parts so you can practice with your harmony or your melody part. So first thing, hopefully this video is mirrored as I just set it to, mirror my body, so that when I say this is my right hand, you can also wave your hand on this side and it's the right hand. So you can look at me as if I am a mirror of you. Okay, so we're going to start with a clap, and then we're going to tap our chest right and left right there. We're going to make a little sound. Okay, so clap, tap, tap, clap, tap, tap, clap, tap, tap. That's your first three moves. Then we're going to add a right foot stomp. This is my right foot right here. So we're going to put our weight on our left foot to kind of prepare for that. So left foot weight, clap, tap, tap, stomp. So just lift your foot up a little bit and stomp it down. I'm sorry I can't show you more than that, but it's this foot. This foot's doing the work. Okay, so here we go. Clap, tap, tap, stomp, clap. Again. Clap, tap, tap, stomp, clap. Again. Clap, right, left, right, clap. Okay, one more time. Ready? And clap. Again. All right. Next thing you're going to do is wipe off your hands as if they are wet from the bathroom. So wipe and wipe. So I'm taking the back of my hands and I'm brushing my thighs, and then I am doing the palms of my hands and brushing forward. So we should have a nice little wipe, wipe sound. Now that has a little bit of a break between those two sections because the clap right before it is a quarter note. So we have eighth, 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 quarter, eighth, eighth. So you don't have to get to your wipe brushing pants too quickly. Here we go. Ready? And brush, brush. Try it again. Ready? And clap, tap, tap, stomp, clap, brush, brush. If it helps you to say it out loud, say it out loud. If you want to say which hand's doing which, so you're saying right and left, do that. We could go clap, right, left, right, clap. You could go clap, tap, tap, stomp, clap. You can go clap, tap, tap, right, clap. So that you're thinking about your right foot. Maybe that's the part of your body that doesn't want to work. For me, it's always things below the waist are not coordinated. Okay? And then we're going to add that brush, brush in. Here we go. Clap, tap, tap, stomp, clap, brush, brush. Okay? Next thing you're going to do, keep your weight on your left foot. We're going to pick up our right foot and give a little stomp down and do our big sunset clap. It looks bigger when I slow it down. When I do it quickly all together, it's not as big. But I want you to think about it as a big clap because it's got to take time. Because this, once again, is a quarter note on your stomp. So we're going to go quarter note and then eighth over here. And then we're going to do our left foot stomp. Okay? Try that. Quarter note, eighth, eighth. So right stomp, clap, left stomp. Here we go. Right stomp, clap, left stomp. Right stomp, clap, left stomp. Right stomp, clap, left stomp. Okay, after the left stomp, we're going to go ahead and do two claps on the left side. So left stomp, clap, clap, and then right stomp, clap, clap. Okay, from the sunset one, ready? And right foot stomp, clap, left stomp, left clap, clap, right clap, clap. There we go. Right clap, left clap, clap, right clap, clap. Right clap, left clap, clap, right clap, clap. Again. Right clap, left clap, clap, right clap, clap. Again. Right clap, left clap, clap, right clap, clap. All right, let's try putting it all together. Remember the first part. Clap, tap, tap. Stomp with your right foot. Clap. Take your time. Brush, brush. Right stomp. Sunset clap. Left clap, clap. Right clap, clap. Here we go. Ready? And clap, tap, tap, stomp, clap. Brush, brush, stomp. Clap, stomp, clap, clap, stomp, clap, clap. Do that again. Ready? And clap, tap, tap, stomp, clap, brush, brush, stomp, clap, stomp, clap, clap, stomp, clap, clap. So you should see yourself swaying a little bit with me because your weight should be going to the correct foot. So let's make sure we're doing the right foot or the left foot as appropriate so that when the choir does it together, we all see the same shifting motion. Otherwise, we start going opposite directions and it makes the audience seasick. Okay, so let's focus in on our feet a little bit here. Let me move my cardboard. Here we go. Clap, tap, tap, right, clap. Brush, brush, right, clap, left, clap, clap, right, clap, clap. So I'm telling you which foot we're doing. Let's do that again. Ready? And clap, tap, tap, right, clap. Brush, brush, right, clap, left, clap, clap, right, clap, clap. Okay, it's time to make it into a loop. So when you do the last one, the last section, it's that right clap, clap. That last clap is the first clap of the repeat. So it's actually going to go like this. Right clap, clap, and then right into your tap, tap. Right clap, clap, tap, tap. Okay, here we go. On repeat from the beginning. Fingers crossed that it works. Ready? And clap, tap, tap, stomp, clap. Brush, brush, stomp, clap, stomp, clap, clap, stomp, clap, clap, tap, tap, stomp, clap. Brush, brush, stomp, clap, stomp, clap, clap, stomp, clap, clap, tap, tap, stomp, clap. Brush, brush, stomp, clap, stomp, clap, clap, stomp, clap, clap, tap, tap, stomp, clap. Brush, brush, stomp, clap, stomp, clap, clap, stomp, clap, clap, tap, tap, stomp, clap. Brush, brush, stomp, clap, stomp, clap, clap, stomp, clap, clap, tap, tap, stomp, clap. I can't sing anymore. Here we go. I'm going to say which foot we're doing. Right, right, left, right, 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 left, right, 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 left, right, 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 left, right. There you go. Okay, hopefully that gets you through just the rhythm. Then go watch the video about how to do it with your part.